That chicken is incredible. There's a light coating around it, and there's the heat of cumin. That tastes great. I really like that. Which is just as well, because you've cooked enough for about 27 people. Listen, everybody, you have 4 minutes. Welcome to MasterChef.
Welcome to MasterChef.
Possibly should have done it in batches. There we go. There we go. That is more like it.
Everything's ready, so I just really want to make the dish look beautiful.
You have 90 seconds, please.
Oh, 90 seconds.
I'm just about there. Just in the nick of time.
OK, stop. Time's up. Stop. Well done, everybody. Your salmon is beautifully cooked. The miso is a very powerful, salty flavour, but it's mellow here. You've handled it very, very well. But throughout the lot is a lime and coriander freshness that's bringing a real light touch to the whole dish.
Thank you so much.
You're trying to read their facial expressions and you just can't. And then they say, I'm impressed with this dish, and you're like, oh, thank God. Like, relief washes over you.
Your salt cod fritters are sweet with pepper. They've got a lovely texture of salt cod and they're not too salty. Your mac and cheese is a little bit thick, but I really like the flavour of those sausages. Almost like a hot dog, smoked hot dog running through my mac and cheese.
Finally, it's former market researcher Madiha, who has made Hakka-style cumin and chili spiced chicken, served with honey and soy peppers and spring onion, with egg fried rice, with peppers, peas, sweet corn and carrots, topped with roasted cashew nuts and chives.
You don't cook for 1 or 2. You cook today like you're cooking for a whole family.
I can't cook small portions because I'm a family cook.
Everything here is seasoned really, really well. There's a lovely saltiness coming from soy sauce. There's sweetness coming from honey and sweet chili sauce. There's also sweetness coming from vegetables, peas, peppers, sweet corn. Your food is generous. It's generous in portion, but it's also generous in flavour.
That chicken is incredible. There's a light coating around it, and there's the heat of cumin. That tastes great. I really like that.
Thank you.
Which is just as well, because you've cooked enough for about 27 people.
I'm proud, to be honest. They liked it. All I wanted was for them to like it. If I get the chance, I'll obviously try to reduce the scale down. I won't cook that much for the whole studio.
I thoroughly, thoroughly enjoyed that. Oh, there's an absolutely cracking start to your MasterChef competition. Well done, all 5 of you.
The first person getting their MasterChef apron is Tom. Your food, Tom, is delicate and delicious.
Thank you.
The second person getting an apron Medea. Love your generosity, Medea. Love your food.
Thank you.
Tom, Medea, come get your apron.
Well done.
I am excited!
First hurdle over with, so over the moon. So happy to be putting this on.